Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Move feature in Google Docs File menu. When you're in Google Docs and you go to File, let's say you know that your document, you just created it, you were kind of in a hurry and you didn't create the document in the folder that you wanted to store it in, or maybe you realize it's in the wrong folder. If you go to File and then move to the Move part of the menu, click on that, and you can rearrange where this file is going to show up in Google Drive by selecting the more appropriate folder. So let's say I want to move this to a different folder. It's currently in Google Docs. Let's say I want to put it into Google Forms. I don't really want to, but let's say I did. I could just click on that. If I need to, I can open this up and see what's in there, or if there's other folders in there that I want to put it in one of those folders, I can select one of those as well, or I can create a whole new folder to put the document in. So if you have a Google Doc and it's not quite where you want it to be, from within the document, you can always move that file somewhere where it's more appropriate.